Hi, I'm Eric Eisenberg, the Optics Development Manager at Radiant Vision Systems. We're introducing our newest product. They call this the XRE Lens. It uses a novel technology that Radiant invented, which combines an eyepiece with a macro lens to do near-to-eye inspection of AR, VR, or MR type devices. We are using our TrueTest software to capture the measurements and analyze the data that we're gathering from the system to assess the quality of the device. Here we're demonstrating the fact that we have electronic focus control on our AR, VR, MR inspection system, the XRE Lens. You can see in the display that right now we have the system configured for 1 meter distance. We can move the display that we're inspecting to a ½ meter position, and with the electronic control we can change the focus to a ½ meter and the image goes from blurry to sharp. For more information on our systems, measurement products, or the XRE Lens, please go to radiantvisionsystems.com and visit our website.